Hi guys. Welcome to my SL Academy. Today I will show how to create YouTube channel and upload first video to YouTube. Let's do it. First of all, open web browser and go to google.com. If you've ever signed into Gmail, Google Maps, Google Play, or any other Google service, you already have a Google account. In this case, you can skip ahead to the next step. Don't worry about whether the name and email address associated with your existing Google account are appropriate for your brand. Your existing Google account details won't be publicly linked with your YouTube account. The account is just the key to get you in the door. If you don't yet have a Google account, here's how to get one. Click Sign In. Now click Create Account. Just choose whether you create an account for yourself or to manage your business. You're identifying your account as used for business purposes to Google. As a consequence, business personalization setting on your new account will be enabled. With business personalization, Google may provide customized recommendations for products that can help support your business. If you don't turn on business personalization, you can still use business-related products like Google My Business and no functionality is changed. Okay, my account used for myself, so I'm click Create Account for myself. Type in the name associated with the account. If this is going to be your main account, using your real name is recommended. Type in your username. This username will become your Gmail address as well as how you log into your account. If your desired username is taken, you'll be told to pick another and given suggestions. Type in a new password for your account. The password has to be at least 8 characters. Retype your new password in the Confirm Password box. Just click Next. Enter a phone number and/or backup email. These can be used to help verify your identity or get you into the account if you forget your password. This phone number can be used to verify your identity, help log in to your account, and help people find you if they have your phone number. Okay, now enter your birth date and gender. Google requires all account users to be at least 13 years old, and some countries have even higher age requirement, and to have an account that can use Google Pay or a credit card to pay for anything. The account holder must be 18 years old. Just click Next. Now check your phone number and click Send. Google sends 6-digit verification number to your mobile phone. Now enter verification code and click Verify. Tap Yes, I'm in to add your number, or skip to forego it. Google will present their terms of use. After scrolling through and reading the sections that interest you, tap I agree. Your core Google account is now set up. Just go to youtube.com. Click on the user icon at the top right of the screen. Click on Create a Channel. If you want to use custom name for your YouTube channel, press this button. Here, fill out the information with your name for a personal channel, or with the name of your company for a corporate channel. Click on checkbox and click Create. All set, your YouTube channel is ready. Now, you can customize it. Click Save and Continue. Click on Customize Channel. Edit the images according to what you wish. If it's a personal account, you can add pictures of you. However, if your goal is to create a YouTube channel for your brand, remember to customize it with your logo. Add channel art. Recommended size is 2560 by 1414 and maximum of 6 megabytes. Okay, successfully uploaded. If you want to create playlist, click on Playlists tab and create it. Okay, now I'm going to upload my first video to YouTube. Let's do it. First click Upload Video button. On the screen that opens, click Select Files to upload and choose the video on your computer. Fill in the basic information about your video, such as title, description, tags, and the video thumbnail. For personalized thumbnails, you need your account to be verified. Add an SEO-friendly title so that it's more easily discoverable via search engines. Add a description of the video so people know what your content is about before watching it. Add tags, which act as tools to help the discovery of your video. YouTube videos optimization isn't something to skimp on. Identifying the proper keywords will open up endless possibilities for your video to be found on either Google or YouTube's built-in search. After set all settings are correctly, click Next button. You can use end screen to promote your related video on end screen. Click Add and set it. Click Next. Set public and click Publish. Okay, video published already. Now you can share it for get more views. Okay, I successfully upload my first YouTube video. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and see you guys in next video.